doing the same thing over and over again and hoping for a different result. You know that this is not going to work, but your actions are still the same. Are you going to get the same result? Yes, you get the same result. If you do X, Y, Z and you get this result, tomorrow, if you do X, Y, Z again, are you going to get the same result? But if you want to change this result, but you still do X, Y, Z, is the result going to change? No. So if you want a different result, what do you have to do? You have to change this part, right? But if you do X, Y, Z and I hope I get a better result, or I hope I get this, I hope I achieve that, I hope I'm champion. But you do X, Y, Z, you're going to get this result. Does that make sense? So, one of the things I want to share with you today, if you want a different result in your life, whatever it is in your life, if you want a different result, then you have to change something.